What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Specifically in today's video, I do want to talk about the opportunities of what could be another flash move to the upside in most of these bigger altcoins, and the opportunity to see a short open up for a potential reversal and swing to the downside. These are two really big factors that are coming for the market. It's really just figuring out whether or not we show some sort of patterns that may actually help us figure out the time and date that this is going to happen. So definitely make sure, if you are new to the channel, to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video to the end if you are interested in learning when this could happen, as well as follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns related to the market, you could DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. Now, before we dive into the analysis, I want to give another glimpse of the giveaway that we are hosting here. There's only 12 days left, so definitely make sure to enter it. It's for a $200 giveaway. It's completely free to enter, up to 8 different entries to get in, and there is a bonus after you complete a few of the entries. So definitely check it out. We have over, I'd say, close to 1,400 people right now that have entered the giveaway. So definitely make sure you are one of them. I did link it in the description down below. Now to jump right into today's episode, you can see the current coin market cap. Everything is in green in regards to the top 10 cryptocurrencies. On an average, we're up, I'd say, close to 20% on all these cryptocurrencies. And even on the 24-hour movement, we're seeing coins up about 2 to 3%, which is also a great sign. So what's interesting is really to focus on these markets and figure out exactly what's happening. I mean, what's crazy to me is when we look, right now we're on BitYard, we're looking at XRP to Tether. You can see we're definitely hitting some sort of resistance. You can see this very clear in the XRP chart. On the daily, you'll notice that we do have a 20-day moving average. We also have, a 5, 10, and 40-day moving average. And the way the coins are hitting is we're hitting the 40-day moving average. That was the lowest point the market actually headed to before seeing an immediate reversal upwards. Now, what's crazy to me is the point that we hit, that we're starting to have resistance on, is this 20-day moving average. Yes, we have broken above there in the past, but it's hard to say if we are going to break above there currently. It's clearly acting as a big resistance, and it's clearly halting the coin from moving really, in any sort of direction. Granted that this is on the 17th, and we're probably just, pretty much stalling out the past couple of days. We could give this a quick refresh for us to get a general, idea of what exactly is going on in here. But you'll notice there's really not much of a difference now that I've refreshed this. You can see we've really just consolidated inside the moving averages, as well as the, the 10 and 5-day moving averages. So we're pretty much just stuck, and we've halted at this level right here. And that's really what I want to focus in. Obviously, there are opportunities to buy long and to sell short on this, and that's really my main focus for today's video. Obviously, prepare yourself for the next movement that's coming very soon. You could do so by, getting started on BitYard, by logging in, whatever it is. I did link BitYard in the description down below. Get ready to see the explosion. Get ready to see the short opportunity. A lot of people buy in really last minute because they haven't funded an account or because they haven't been paying attention. So to prepare yourselves for the next movement, it's very easy to just transfer in, USDT, Bitcoin, XRP, getting ready for this next movement, and then you'll be prepared to capitalize off the gains, which we've been doing. And honestly, we've made close to 9 or 10 grand just this month in trading on cryptocurrencies. I've also posted a, my link for Patreon, where I do explain my trades in the descriptions down below. So in regards to what exactly is coming for the market that all you guys are wondering, I mean, we do have to just spend quite a bit of time looking at XRP, looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, just getting a general idea of what exactly is going on and what could happen. And really, my main focus is on these cryptocurrencies and the way they're trading. So what's crazy to see is we've had some crazy uncertainty form in the past couple of days. The past 3 days on the coin, we've seen some massive flashes in price where the price has pretty much, shot up all the way up to 65 cents, if not higher, and then corrected all the way back down to the point where we opened the daily candle. And what's crazy is we've done this the past 3 days on itself. So honestly, what it's showing and what it seems to show is what could be potential reversal. It's showing opportunities of correction back to the downside. Now, if you guys did miss out on the opportunity to ride this wave all the way up, now we're going to have potential opportunities to short this all the way down if we do decide to correct down there. Obviously, with the way these markets are panning out, everything is hit or miss right now. You can see we're really starting to see some potential correction happening right at this moment. But really what we're focusing on is the fact that the markets are seeing uncertainty. People are seeing a ton of indecision. We're seeing, potential swings to the upside, potential swings to the downside. People are getting very confused. You can see these in pretty much all of the coins right now. Focusing mainly on XRP, where we really haven't had much of a movement. Granted, we do have a resistance clearly at 62 cents. We do have a support right here at 55 cents. So in regards to potentially making money on XRP, we may have to focus in on these other cryptocurrencies to get a general idea of where these markets are going to swing to. Now, notice on Ethereum, we're getting very close to retesting overbought. Bitcoin is currently overbought, and so is Litecoin. These coins have exploded up in price and may honestly start to catch the ride down. So we really do have to pay close attention to this. Obviously, most people have probably taken profits right now or moved their stop loss up and have gotten rejected or ejected from the game right now. And a lot of people are waiting to buy back in. Same as me. So really my focus is on right now is what exactly is going to happen. We can't really use Bitcoin as a great indicator due to the fact that we are in all-time highs. We're not seeing any other, previous trends or future trends because it's all new. We haven't seen this before, and it's going to be really difficult to pretty much track or pinpoint new movements. Now, I am potentially seeing what could be something like this. I mean, this is a very, very, very small long shot to the upside, but it does hold some pretty, factual things here. We could have been seeing a big ascending wedge forming on Bitcoin. You'll notice it does actually work fairly well, where we do have this top resistance as a price ceiling, where numerous attempts have been made to breach above this resistance, and we have yet to be able to do that. What is interesting is, in fact, that the past couple of days we've been slowly moving up to retest this resistance, but nothing is really held on for sure. So what's the possible alternate scenario is in the fact that we could see a big reversal. We could see this dump all the way back down to $20,000. It's very possible, granted, and given the fact that we are currently overbought. So we do have to consider opening up positions to short. So honestly, if we see movements below, I'd say 22,700, get ready to buy in for a short to the downside. We're also seeing this probably within the other cryptocurrencies too. Harder to see on Ethereum, and also harder to see on Litecoin. Bitcoin seems to be the one I want to mainly focus on. And obviously, if we see the reversal form in Bitcoin, it's going to happen on all the cryptocurrencies, around the altcoins. So honestly, my main focus right now is on Bitcoin because this is new. We haven't been able to see previous, trends in the past, but this might hold a key for moving forward into, Bitcoin's patterns, into XRP's patterns, and figuring out which direction we're going to be moving to. So right now, it's clearly showing that we're capped in regards to moving higher. Most people are probably going to think, we can continue to pump maybe to $25,000 to $30,000. But take this into consideration. We do have a price ceiling right here, and it's not going to allow us to break that resistance just yet, especially with an overbought market. So if we want to continue to pump higher, we're probably going to have to correct lower at first. And same thing goes with the fact that if we do slowly move higher, it's going to take a long time to slowly move up, days on days on days, versus if we just corrected lower, consolidated, we can pump up much quicker and much higher. So honestly, my game is probably 70% chance we're going to see a short opportunity approach itself. As we know, what goes up must come down. So there's a good chance we could get in to short the market as we head lower. So definitely consider opportunities to buy in closer to, I'd say, 22.7 like discussed. In regards to shorting that market, you can obviously do it on BitYard, which I will definitely share with everyone on my Patreon, as well as you guys on YouTube. And the same thing thing applies itself with XRP. Good chance we're going to see that short. There's a big opportunity approaching itself. Otherwise, guys, in regards to the S&P 500, we're really not seeing much movement. We're kind of teeter-tottering on a little bit of an overbought market, but we'll see what happens. Otherwise, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.